Hey guys, Tyler Hanna here with Build Your Golf Cart, and today I'm going to show you how to use the dealer dashboard. So when you first sign on, this will be the view that you see. And so there's the precedent model, which is always pre-configured to appear. But if you want to activate these two other models, you simply click Activate, Active. And then those two models will appear. And you're going to want to include a base model for each model that you activate. So for example, we would go here, type in 2018 gas for $1 million. It's super pricey, but it's just an example. So you have to activate each model, and then you have to include a base model for each model in order for it to appear in the cart previewer. So you have your base models activated, and you want to begin diversifying your parts. So what you'll do is you'll click that configure button. Let's go to body and paint, and then you'll see your three models here. Let's include the atomic orange for the Yamaha, the beige and the black. Where's some blue? Electric blue. Let's do a light blue. So you configure all of those. And then we go to preview and embed. And the three models that you activated earlier should appear here. Let's click on the Yamaha. And there's our light blue. And so now what we would do is we would take this code here, and we would simply copy and paste it into the back end of our website. And this beautiful new light blue cart will appear on your site. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for listening. Be sure to reach us at info@buildyourcart.com, buildyourgolfcart.com, and be sure to follow us on social media. Have a good day.